Welcome back to our channel. Winter is here, but guess what? Your gardening doesn't have to stop. If you think winter gardening is limited to kale or carrots, think again. Today, we're exploring unexpected plants that you can grow even in the chilliest months. Now, most people don't realize there are hidden gems perfect for winter gardening. These plants not only survive the cold, they thrive in it. So, grab your gloves and let's get planting. First up, we have mache, also called corn salad. This European green is a cold-loving superstar, perfect for salads. Its nutty flavor is a winter treat. Next up, we have claytonia, also known as miner's lettuce. This plant is beautiful, delicious, and hardy, ideal for a winter harvest. And don't forget purple sprouting broccoli. Now, it may take a while to grow, but winter is the perfect time to let it mature. These plants don't need much. A simple cold frame or row cover can keep them happy. Most of them tolerate frost, so no need to stress over heavy protection. I'll show you step-by-step planting tips to get them started. Now, growing unexpected plants in the winter not only extends your gardening season, but also adds variety to your meals. Plus, gardening is great for your mental health, even in winter. Who said winter gardens have to be boring? Add these unexpected plants to your garden and you'll be amazed at what you can grow in the cold season. Winter gardening offers exciting opportunities to extend your growing season and produce fresh, nutrient-packed crops even during the coldest months. Here's a deeper dive into winter gardening tips, techniques, and benefits. Why winter gardening? Fresh harvest all year. Keep enjoying homegrown produce when most gardens are dormant. Cold-resistant crops thrive. Many plants like leafy greens, root vegetables, and certain herbs actually prefer cool temperatures. Natural pest control. Fewer pests are active in the winter, reducing the need for pest management. Improving soil health. Growing cover crops or winter vegetables can protect and enrich your soil. Here are some ideal crops for winter gardening. Leafy greens: kale, spinach, arugula, mache, and claytonia. Root vegetables: carrots, parsnips, beets, and radishes. Brassicas: broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. Herbs: parsley, cilantro, and thyme. Perennials: garlic, onions, and leeks, planted for spring harvest. Here are some winter gardening techniques. Use cold frames. Protect your plants from frost with a cold frame. This acts like a mini greenhouse and traps heat. Row covers. Lightweight fabric. Row covers shield crops from frost and light snow while letting sunlight through. Mulching. Spread straw or leaves around plants to insulate the soil and maintain warmth. Greenhouses or hoop tunnels. These structures create a controlled environment for year-round growth. Succession planting. Plant crops at intervals in late fall so they're ready to harvest throughout the winter. Tips for success. Know your zone. Choose cold-hardy plants suited to your growing zone. Plan ahead. Start planting winter crops in late summer or early fall to give them time to mature. Focus on soil health. Add compost or organic matter to replenish your soil and neutralize before planting. Harvest strategically. Harvest crops gradually to keep plants producing. Benefits of a winter gardening: saves money. Grow your own food instead of relying on store-bought produce during winter. Boost nutrition. Winter crops like spinach and kale are loaded with vitamins and antioxidants. Also eco-friendly. Reduces food miles and reliance on industrial farming. Therapeutic. Gardening in winter can improve mood and reduce stress. Creative ideas for winter gardening: grow indoors. Herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary thrive in pots by a sunny window. Hydroponics. Use water-based systems to grow leafy greens indoors without soil. Edible ornamentals. Plant colorful Swiss chard or red kale as decorative winter crops. Microgreens. Grow tiny nutrient-packed greens on your kitchen counter for quick, fresh additions to meals. Now, we know winter gardening might take a little extra effort, but the reward is a thriving garden when most others are dormant. It's an inspiring way to make the most of every season. Who said winter gardens have to be boring? Add these unexpected plants to your garden and you'll be amazed at what you can grow in the cold season. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips. We'll see you next time, inshallah.